Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley at Test Tech Talks video. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to pin a conversation on your Signal chat. So if you're probably having a lot of conversation on your Signal and you decide to pin a particular conversation so that you'll be able to see it as a spotlight whenever you open your Signal, this is just how to do that. Now go ahead and click and hold. Now you notice on top of the area where it has this pin icon, go ahead and click on that. Now you notice it says pin conversation, it says pinned, right? So if I go ahead and add another one, it's also going to be pinned. So every other conversation I'm having can be on the bottom while this one stays on top, no matter, even though I receive a message or if I didn't receive a message. So my pinned conversation is different and my chat conversation just displayed on the chat, which is probably going to be the most recent chat or whichever chat. Alright guys, this is just how to pin your conversation on Signal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you stay subscribed to the channel and share the video with your friends. See you on my next video. Peace.